Hi, my name is Patrick and I am the founder and president of Valor Aquaponics LLC, a newly filed company in the state of Wisconsin. I am a 6-year veteran of the United States Air Force and an avid science geek. I am absolutely passionate about the science behind aquaponics. For some of you, you might be wondering, what is aquaponics? Well, aquaponics is fairly simple. You use live fish and you use the waste that is produced in the water and you ship that water off to a grow bed where your vegetables are planted, preferably in some kind of a media like clay media, or I use wool. And so those vegetables, those roots actually absorb the ammonia and the nitrates out of the water and essentially cleans the water, and I use that water and I ship it back into the fish tank. It's actually a closed loop system, and it's beneficial because the fish feed the vegetables and in turn the vegetables clean the water, and just a symbiotic relationship. It's fascinating. For the last 2 months, I have been running 2 prototypes out of my house in a very limited space. You can see some of the video here. As you can see, the space is very small, and this is just a prototype that I built. Now extrapolate that by 10, 20, 100%, 200%. That is what I'm going for. And I've had tremendous success with my aquaponics program, and I'm currently using 44 blue tilapia in my system. Now, with our success with the prototypes, we are now ready to commercialize. And you might be thinking, what's the difference between my aquaponics farm, Valor Aquaponics, and anybody else? And it's because we have actually committed to donating 20% of what we grow to the local food pantries. So that means the local food pantries will be getting fresh, 100% organic, non-genetically modified fruits and vegetables delivered to them to deliver to the less fortunate within our community, to our neighbors. It might be, it could be your brother, your sister, it could be a friend that you know. So what we're trying to do at Valor Aquaponics isn't just to be a regular aquaponics farm. We want to be the leaders in aquaponics technology. And we're going to do that by creating self-sustaining power through our aquaponics garden. I can't discuss too much right now because we have just been accepted into the Aero Electronics certification program, where they're going to help us to develop our technology and help us patent this technology so that we can sell it worldwide, as well as use it within our own facility to reduce our carbon footprint, which means that our aquaponics gardens, our grow beds, should be fully self-sustaining, which means they would use zero power that is on the grid. What also makes us different too is that we have recently received our fish farm license from the state of Wisconsin, which allows us to not only keep our fish, but it also allows us to breed them and then sell the fish as well. So part of our division, I guess you could say, is that we will be looking to breed and sell our fish to other aquaponics enthusiasts. And since we do plan on raising local game fish, we could also sell those fish back into the community through the DNR. So you might be asking, why are we raising funds? Well, we need funds to lease a large enough facility and to help build not just our aquaponics beds, but help us develop our technology. And for your contribution, there are fantastic perks that you can get, which includes free vegetables shipped right to your door overnight. So my pledge to you guys is that in the next 18 to 24 months, I will not take a salary from Valor Aquaponics. I do work full-time and I make decent money. I do plan on working while developing this company. So that's my promise. There's going to be no income, so any money that is raised stays within Valor Aquaponics. Now, if you're wondering about what we do and some of the things that I've done with the aquaponics system, I do have a YouTube channel. You can see the link right now. And we also have a website where you can get more information, where you can also find out how you can become a Valor Aquaponics partner, and you can just keep up to date on our news, and that's valoraquaponics.com. So I just want to thank you for coming to the video. I really hope that we can earn your support, and if you've already supported, thank you so much for getting behind us. Valor Aquaponics, I truly believe, isn't just going to benefit Wisconsin. I truly believe that in the next 5 to 10 years, maybe even sooner, depending, who knows what can happen. But I do believe that we are going to be industry leaders, and it's going to impact you directly. Thank you so much, and have a great day.